In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot to create an image directly using the AI feature. So let's say I'm on my Microsoft Edge and I want to create an image. I open my Copilot chat feature at the top right in here. I can go ahead and click on this plus sign and say generate an image of a cat drinking coffee. Okay, so you can be as detailed as you want. And once you click on generate, this is now going to generate that image for you very, very fast and very clear. And you can see how clear the image is. You can see very, very clear. All right. The cat is drinking coffee in a bar and you can see some humans behind it. Very detailed and very interesting. You can download this if you're interested and you can share if you also want to share with people, and you can see clarity of the image. Very, very clear, right? So if you found this helpful, go ahead, create any image of your choice using Copilot. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.